Oh, we got a bad storm coming, it looks like. Probably. It was hot. It's going off real fast. It's dark over there. It started sprinkling, but not that much. Just a little bit. I can feel it. I guess I should get the mail out of the box. I don't know what for. I don't have nowhere to put it. It's strange how the temperature changed all of a sudden. It's supposed to rain today. Can y'all see how clear that is over there? It's just right here where I'm at. It's even caused the light on the house to come on. It's dark. Not so dark. I like thunderstorms. I always have. But you have to respect it because it can kill you because of the lightning. Just like God. His pure power can kill man. We can't, our body, our flesh can't be around him. He's a holy entity. He's God the Creator. He's an awesome God. And He made all of this whole world. And He sent His only Son, Jesus, to die for us. I don't know if y'all can hear the rain starting to come. I was trying to be out here because my daughter went to the store. She's been gone quite a while. I was going to help her bring the groceries in, but I'll have to put a jacket on now. It's pouring down rain for sure now. She'll have to sit in her car for a while. She might get scared. But listen, there's a bird up there chirping at this cat in this storm. That bird ain't scared of the storm. This is not all that bad. Maybe it'll just fly over me. It's coming either from the north or the east. Kind of strange.